going on YouTube? Fight on 52 here. Alright, like I said in an earlier video, I broke a couple boxes of the new 2011 Triple Threads baseball. I opened a box and a half, two and a half boxes, sorry, 2.5 boxes of this, and I went with my buddy Megagriff 13, and he opened a box and a half of this as well. So between the two of us, we broke 4 boxes. And anyway, I'm sure you guys know, this is what the box looks like. They've kind of changed it up a little bit this year. On the back is a picture of a few cards that I didn't get, but I totally wish I would have. But then instead of doing the triangle packs, they've got like a rectangle pack. So anyway, that's what it looks like. I'm sure you guys know that, but I decided to show you anyway. So I'll give a rundown of the cards that I got. I'll start off with the base cards. And just like with other years, there's parallels to the base cards with different numbering. Like there's the red, which I think is the base level, green, gold. I'm not sure what the other ones are. So I'll start off with the reds to 1500. I got an Evan Longoria, Ricky Henderson. This is a really cool one. I like that. Rogers Hornsby. So this is going to my buddy Hank the Mutt, who's a big Cardinals fan. So I'm going to set that aside for him. I got a Josh Johnson, Frank Robinson, Carlos Santana, which this is going to go to my buddy Huff Boyardee. Mark, he's a big Cleveland Indians fan. So Mark, I'm setting that aside for you. Clay Buchholz, Carl Crawford, Roger Maris, Ichiro, that was pretty cool too. Darryl Strawberry, Mel Ott, Nolan Ryan. That's a cool one. I love that uniform. Let's see one. Ty Cobb and Andre Ethier. And then the next parallel is the, I guess it's maybe it's bronze. Yeah, maybe it's bronze. I got Roy Halladay, Walter Johnson, and all the bronze are numbered to 625. Carl Crawford, Ian Kinsler, Ryan Zimmerman, and Stan Musial. This is also going to Hank the Mutt. And then next up is the green parallel, which is numbered to 249. And I got Hanley Ramirez, Ryan Zimmerman, and Derek Jeter. And then I got one gold parallel to 99 of Hank Aaron. This is another uniform that I think is really, really sick. So those were the base cards. I'll start in with the hits. I got a Roy Halladay jersey card to 36. It's white with a pinstripe. Sorry for the glare. Another cool thing about these cards, if you look at the background, it shows their home stadium, and when you put this card together with, I think, two other Phillies, it makes the stadium like it would go off this way, and then you can see the panorama of the stadium, which is pretty neat. Next up is a Mike Stanton jersey card, and that's also got a pinstripe. But see what I mean, guys, in the background? This is like the straight on version view of the field. But then if you had the I guess it would look like this maybe. I know, it'd start to make the panorama if they played for the same team. And then last is Hanley Ramirez jersey card, numbered to 9, number 6 of 9. And in the very, very corner, there's a slight pinstripe. I don't know if you can see that there. Just a slight pinstripe in that one. Next up is a jersey card of Starlin Castro, and it's numbered to 36, I believe. Yeah, 36. Spells out Star Child. And this I'm sending to my buddy Vintage Baseball Fan 18. So there you go, Josh. I got you another Starlin Castro. And then the other jersey card that I got was a triple with Albert Pujols, Joey Votto, and someone else I can't think of. But I gave that to Carl Hank the Mutt. So he already has it, and I believe he already did a video too. So if you want to check that out, you can go check out his video. So on to the autographs. I got a Scott Sizemore bat autograph to 50. I got a Torrey Hunter jersey autograph to 75. This was a cool one. I really like Torrey Hunter. So that was a cool one. Next up, I got a Neftali Feliz jersey autograph. This one's numbered to 9. 2010 AL All-Star. Let's see that. Number 5 of 9. I got a Mike Stanton Future Phenoms jersey autograph to 99. So that's a really cool looking card. And this is an on-card autograph. So that's pretty sweet. And the last card is a Kyle Drabek triple jersey autograph to 25. Also an on-card autograph. So definitely a great looking product. Um, I've seen way better come out of it than the stuff that I got. If you want to see a really, really awesome break, go check out my buddy Partly Cloudy's break. He got a really, really nice card. A few nice cards actually. He did pretty well. So I'll put his link down below so you can check out his break. And also, this is going out to him, Partly Cloudy. This is going to you. This Hank Aaron to 99. So the next time I send out stuff, I'll shoot that your way. And yeah, his link will be below. Go check out his break if you want to see some like nasty cards come out of this. Go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, wait. If you saw my video earlier, you already saw this, but I'm going to show it off anyway. It is my new Bo Jackson pickup. I put it in a new case, a more deserving case. Signature 6 autograph with Gale Sayers, Emmitt Smith. Of course, you've got Bo, Roger Craig, Paul Hornung, and Franco Harris. So anyway, that's my sick Bo Jackson pickup for today. And probably one of my last Bo Jackson pickups for a while. Just because I got school and I don't really have much time for anything now, which kind of sucks. But you guys know how it is. Life hits you and you just do what you do, you know. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and sorry I blabbed on extra at the end, and that I'm continuing to do so. But I guess that's the way it is. Alright, I'll leave you guys alone.